I'm going to read play sports. Richard and Amy love sports. When they exercise, they feel healthy and happy. How do they do it? Let's take a look. Amy plays baseball and is on a swim team at her school, so she needs to take care of herself. Amy says you can do many things to take care of yourself. When you play baseball, you should stretch before every game. Amy says you shouldn't drink much water right before a game. When she did, she got a stomach. Amy says that the night before a game, you should eat food like spaghetti and bread. The morning of a game, you should eat food like toast and fruit for breakfast. There can be exercise in baseball games, so you should always wear a helmet on your hand when you go to hit the ball. Richard is on Amy's swim team. He swims all year. He is at the pool every morning at 6 o'clock and swims for 90 minutes. After that, he starts his goal day. Before Richard swims, he likes to